It's VEDA day 4. Hello. I'm recording with the other side of my phone, so I don't know how this looks, but it's also in a different place. And throughout the rest of the month, I think I'm going to try to pick different places to make this a little more challenging. So yeah. Remember that PlayStation I said that I fixed the other day? Well, it broke. So it lasted all of 2 days, and it's dead again. So today, I have a hairdryer. Just regular old hairdryer. Because apparently, you can fix a PlayStation with one of these. So they say. Since my PlayStation's on its last leg anyways, I don't want to open the thing up. I just put it back together. It's a pain in the ass, and so we're going to see if this works. I'll follow up tomorrow and let you know. I have no idea. It takes about a half an hour, so I'm not going to bore you with that. I've also got something just for VEDA, just for the rest of the month, to try out because, you know, I want to see if we can do this long term and get better at video. So I'll share with you what I got tomorrow. But today, gonna be fixing stuff again. So I'll let you know how that turns out tomorrow. Talk to you then. VEDA day 4. Later.